So friends, if you are college pass out and already been trained in machine learning, data science or AI skill set, and you are struggling to get a job, finding the job, applying for many jobs, and you are not getting selected in the first step, that is screening, you have to think why recruiter call you. First of all, see, no recruiter is going to call the fresher. There are some limitations. Companies do not want to take a freshers employee in their bag, first of all. So they are more focusing on the experienced people because they don't have to spend a lot of money in the training, and still the result is very bad. If you look at the scenario for the freshers, 10 if you select 10 fresher, and there are the productivity rate is very less, 2%, 3%. That's it, right? So nobody is going to call you, first of all. So what you need to do to get a job? You need a real-time experience. There is no shortcut. You have to work on the project, but nobody is going to call you to work. In terms of opportunity is also limited, and the quality of internship is also not so good. You have to rigorously work at least 60 days, 90 days on the real-time projects. Who is going to provide? Nobody in the market. Nobody is going to spend that much of time for you. Then what you will do? Nothing, right? You will struggle, struggle, struggle. So my company and we have created idea for you to give you opportunity to work on the project, real-time project, customer project, where there will be a project leader, there will be a project manager, there will be a team, similarly like a company. So you will feel like you are working in a company, you are working for the client, you are delivering the project. Everything will be real, and you will be the part of that project. Once you deliver that project, you have the real knowledge of the project. End-to-end picture will be clear that you can put in your profile and see the result. If you work on a project, if you delivered a project, you have the knowledge about all the things about the project. That is the real time experience.